Hello, I'm Nick. I'm continuing my experiments with AI design tools, and in this video I will turn a static Figma design into an interactive web page using a tool called YouWare. We start our journey in Figma, where I have a design of a landing page for a gym class. This page has a relatively simple but effective layout with a few distinct sections. Before jumping to YouWare, I want to highlight one important thing. When crafting design, always use auto layout. This will maximize your chances of turning design into code without any major issues. Now let's select a frame with a design of a landing page, right mouse click, copy link to the section. We can jump to YouWare. And before prompting the tool, I want to show you Explore section. This is a curated collection of projects you can use for inspiration. Think of it as a dribble for vibe coding. You can choose a specific project and remix it for your purposes without leaving YouWare. Now let's continue our journey of turning a static design into a real page. Click Create. Since I'm turning an existing design into a web page, I choose Figma for website. You can see that YouWare pre-filled part of my prompt. Now all I need to do is paste my link to the Figma section. And I will keep Claude 4.5 as AI model. At the time of recording this video, this is by far the best AI model for coding. Hit Generate. I need to mention that YouWare uses MCP technology to achieve the best possible results when converting design to code. And you will need to create an MCP token for YouWare in Figma. If you don't have a token, YouWare will prompt you to create one. And after a couple of minutes, you will see this design. Web page looks good. It's very close to the original design in Figma, but it has one important downside: no images. Let's submit a follow-up prompt asking YouWare to fix this issue. And after a short wait, we will get this result. It looks exactly like the page we have in Figma. Now let's make the next move and ask the tool to add another page to the project. I want to make the call to action button Reserve Your Spot interactive. It should open a new page with a form so users can book an appointment. What I really like about YouWare is the tool not only adds a new page, but it also creates a table in a database, where it will store all the data. Let's see what the tool created for us. And here is a new page created in the same style as the original one. The form looks great, but it has one small problem. The drop-down icon is too close to the edge of the input field. Let's try to fix it. But instead of giving a precise instructions to YouWare, I will switch to Boost mode and provide a very general instruction for the tool. Ask it to improve the user experience of the Reserve Your Spot page. After a short wait, the tool shows the updated design. And wow, it looks like it redesigned both pages. The landing page looks different. Click Reserve Your Spot. The data input form looks crisp, but it's very different from our original design. If you don't like this design, you can go back without any problems. Click Rewind, and you will see one amazing feature that YouWare offers. YouWare Credit Care. If you are not satisfied with the quality of the output generated by AI, YouWare not only reverses your changes, but also refunds your credits. And we've got our previous design. Now let's test the form. The great thing is that the form is fully interactive. It supports user input and even has data validation rules. By the way, here is a notification about the credits that YouWare refunded to us. I will provide data to form and click Book. And I see a confirmation message. This is amazing. Let's switch to the Database tab. And in the database, we have a table with our data input record. Pretty cool, right? And our design is not some fancy prototype. It's a real coded solution. We can actually see the source code if we click on the Code tab. Next, we can publish our page and share a link to the page with our team. If they open the link in a browser, they will see a fully interactive page with nice animated transition and working business logic. Now, when you know how easy it is to turn your Figma design into real code using YouWare, I will invite you to try this tool. I will leave a link to this tool in the description. Thank you for watching.